Alright, my boss from work gave me this free fridge, which is really nice. It's got a water dispenser on it and stuff. And my friend Frank here. You guys know Frank. It's his friend, Jane. And the only way to get this into my kitchen is through the little window thing here. So me and Frank are going to lift it through there, because it won't fit through that doorway. It fit through my front door, but it won't fit through this doorway. And it won't fit through that door. And it won't fit through that door. So this is our last shot. So we moved everything out of the way, and we're gonna put it through this this window thing I got here, and hope this works and get it in my kitchen, because there's no other way to get it in here. Jane's gonna be the awesome camera person. So that's that. And that's how you fit a fridge in Mitch's house. Oh.